Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Help Guy. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secondary website in your domain in GoDaddy. So here's how you can add domains or websites in Windows hosting. So we are currently in the help center. So secondary domains have websites that work independently of the primary domains hosted in separate folders. So here's what you're going to do. First thing is log into your GoDaddy account, then click web hosting. Afterwards, just click on manage, and then depending on how you want to configure it, if you want to add a secondary domain, here's what you need to do. Click add new domain. So after clicking manage, click add new domain, and then afterwards, input everything that you need in the different fields. So we have their domain name, hosting type, we have document root, and preferred domain. So select if you want automatically for preferred domain, if you want to automatically redirect visitors to your website with or without the www appended to the beginning of the URL. You can also add new domain alias. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's round it up. So the first thing you need to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Click on web hosting, click on manage, and then select add new domain. And then afterwards, just go and fill up all the informations that you want for your secondary website in GoDaddy. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in adding a secondary website in your GoDaddy domain. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button. We will be featuring more of these videos only here on Talk Help Guy.